Traders, welcome to the Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. Today's Monday, June 7th. I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Kind of a slowish-ish day. We had a nice one in the NASDAQ. You know, it was okay. ES, we had a long trade, counter trend. We were short in the NASDAQ in here. We didn't hit it at the open. We tried to counter trade long. Weren't expecting a whole lot. You know, I said should get us into a free trade, at least make a point or so, hopefully 2 or 3. It really just depended on the amount of time that it took. We were hoping that this would go a little bit quicker, so it was no surprise when it didn't follow through. But you know, it made a point. And then in the NASDAQ, we got short in the NASDAQ at 26. And that trade went down to 13,712. So about 14 points, which is not a bad trade. Not huge, but certainly did the minimum that we typically expect. Over 50 ticks. And in the gold, we had a trade made up to 15. We had a long understanding trade here. And again, it re-triggered here. But when it re-triggered here, we were short in the NQ. So only up to, if you look at the time of day there. So, you know, smaller-ish trade there. Again, we were in a different market when it re-popped. So no losing trades, some small winners. NASDAQ was not bad, up to 50. And we had a crude trade as well. Crude trade. And that trade was, again, a smaller-ish trade. People were in as high as 25. Went down to 10, which is about 15 ticks. 12 to 15 ticks, depending on where people were in up here. And we got a warning sign. I told everybody, make sure you're at entry or take profits. And it did pop here only to come back down again. But then when it came back down again, we were long in the ES. So again, this made some profits as well. So nothing huge, but you know, we had one in every market, and you know, they all made a little bit of money. So we are going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Check out our free trial at www.futurestradingcoach.com, and we'll see you back tomorrow.